Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you right from my bathroom. It's a tiny bathroom, so I'm hoping that the echo won't be too bad. But yeah, today's video is going to be about my skincare routine. I asked on Instagram whether you guys would be interested to see that, and a lot of you said yes. So here I am showing you what my skincare routine is going to be like. Now my bathroom is really small, so I would want to show you how I do it specifically, and walk you through the different steps and film how I actually like wash my face and stuff. But because my bathroom is so small, I could not fit my tripod in certain angles. My sink is literally right in front of you guys, and toilet is right behind me, so it's very small, and this is the bathtub, so I can't really move that much, but hopefully this will do. So to start out, I wanted to just quickly say or give you some sort of background, and that is that I have worked in skincare before. So I was a beauty consultant at the more premium brand called Clinique. It's a really, maybe you guys probably know it, it's a really like natural and perfume free and like very it's a very clean brand, really good skincare. I really liked it. I loved working there. It was one of the best part-time jobs I've ever had, really. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that, just so that you know that I have some sort of experience and I know a little bit about it. Obviously I'm no expert whatsoever, but I did learn quite a lot at my job, and I also do have a very big passion for skincare just on my own, really. I watch a lot of YouTube videos, watch a lot of what I consider really like scientific evidence. I don't know. You guys know what I mean. So anyways, starting with the first one is a micellar water. So what I like to do is, because I wear heavy makeup, I like to remove just any rough bits with my micellar water. So as you can see today, I am wearing eyeliner and a really like heavy mascara and stuff like that, and also sometimes way heavier eyeshadow. So what I wanted to point out is that it's recommended, I would say, to just use this to remove like eyelashes and stuff like that, the rough bits, and not remove your entire makeup just with this alone. But I like to remove just the rough bits at first with this, with obviously just like a cotton pad. Just wipe it over. And also when you do have heavier eye makeup, you want to be really delicate. You want to be very gentle, so you put it on and you just you hold it in for a couple seconds. So next thing up here is what I call the first step in the double cleanse. So after removing my rough eye makeup, there's still quite a lot left. I like to go in with a cleansing oil. I used to use the Clinique cleansing balm as well. I know Elemis does a balm as well, where you scoop it out and it's like a solid sort of texture, and then you just melt it. This one is already liquid form. It works the same way. So you take this on your dry skin, not wet, because otherwise it's going to slip around and not really do what it's supposed to do. So with this one, I just recently purchased this on Amazon. And it's the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Cleansing Oil. I'm really excited to try this out. I've tried it just a few days now, and I really like it. It does have a little bit of fragrance in it, which I'm not too happy about, but it's on the very bottom of the ingredients list, I remember. So this one is quite good as well, but you can use any sort of cleansing oils, and you can go natural as well. So you can use stuff like coconut oil, you can use almond oil, you can use all kinds of oils that you can use to remove your makeup with, really. And I love using this method because, again, it's just so like gentle, and you just have to be really delicate, especially if you're wearing a lot of makeup every day, sort of like me. So yeah, that one is nice, and you just wash it off, really. A lot of people think they have to go over with like a cotton pad or anything like that, but this just washes off. And then I got this one as well, and this is the rice water from the Face Shop. It's the Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. So after you go in with the oil, you still have residue left, and probably sometimes also makeup. Sometimes when I have really heavy makeup on, it's still gonna be a bit left over, so I just use this one. And then this one is really, really nice. I love this one. It came in a 2-pack with the cleansing oil, and it's so nice because it really foams up, but I really find that this one does not dry out at all, which a lot of facial cleansers do, and a lot of especially foaming ones. I don't know what it is about them. Obviously it's the sulfate, I guess. But yeah, this one is really, really nice. It smells nice, but it has fragrance in it as well, which is not ideal, but it's on the very, very bottom. It's actually the last ingredient, so that's fine with me. I know a lot of other people are very sensitive to that kind of stuff, but for me, I'm alright with very little perfume like that. After you've used your a cleanser, just any kind of cleanser, you then ideally would have to go in with an exfoliator. So actually, I think I have it here. So I personally, oh my gosh, it's wet. I personally like to use a chemical exfoliant. And that can also sometimes come in a form of a toner, or also known as a toner. But right now I don't have a chemical exfoliant because I've run out. So instead what I'm showing you is a physical, and that is typically known like a scrub. So I'm using the Clinique Pep Start scrub. This one has tiny little beads in it. That is really good at just getting sort of rough surface patches away, which is really, really great. I like to do that maybe, I would say, two to 3 times a week. I don't recommend doing it more than that because physical exfoliants can be quite harsh on the skin. Especially if you have sensitive skin, and also if you are concerned with anti-aging and stuff like that. I would not recommend using physical exfoliants with the little scrubs in there too much, just because it is really rough on the skin. Instead, what you could use is what I typically use now that I have none of them, but I like to use either the Pixie Glow toner, is that what it's called? I can't remember the name, but I'm sure you guys know, else I'll insert a picture right here. It's the Pixie Glow something. That one I just put on a cotton pad, swipe away like that, and then I'm completely fine. And then the other one that I'm also using is the Clinique the exfoliant toner. So yeah, that's what I would usually use after my facial cleanser. And now moving on to the creams and stuff, which I find way more exciting. I recently purchased this vitamin C serum. It's let's see. Yeah, so it's a vitamin C serum. It has hyaluronic acid in it as well, and vitamin E. I purchased this on Amazon, which is kind of weird because I've never done that before, and I never thought to buy my skincare through Amazon. But I'm sure you guys are all familiar with The Ordinary. They sell little what do you even call these? I don't know, little bottles like these that are really, really inexpensive, and that just have almost always just the pure active ingredients in there. And yeah, I found a very similar ingredients list on Amazon. They have a lot of stuff on there actually, and yeah, I wanted to try this out, and I was looking for a vitamin C serum because I have a lot of, you can't see it right now, but I have a lot of darker pigmentation and stuff because I am very fair, but I used to go into the sun a lot, and I'm not happy about that because obviously that means I'm gonna get lots of hyperpigmentation in the future, and also much more prone to get wrinkles and stuff like that. So I wanted to brighten up my skin tone a little bit, or even it out. should I say, with this vitamin C serum, and it's really really nice. I put that all over, and I put that all the way down to my what's it called, décolletage, is that what it's called? Yeah, so I use this all over, and I'm almost out of it. It's really 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 quick drying as well. I hate when you have to like stand and wait for those serums to like dry in and stuff like that. But this one is like really quick, and I really really like that. Another one that I'm also using that I don't have right now, which I've run out of, is the Ordinary Niacinamide. That one is also quite nice, very simple to use. However, I do find that it clashes with my creams that I put on top sometimes. So that, you know, when you get that like, maybe it's just me, but you get that like crumbly feeling, or like it just I don't know, it rubs off or something, I don't know. Yeah, so that is that. Right, so after my vitamin C serum, what I like to go in with is my eye cream right here. It's the Clinique Pep Start. This one is really really nice because I find I'm really picky with my eye creams because I have very sensitive eyes, and a lot of them like sort of stick to my eyelids and make them all sticky, and I hate that feeling. But this one does not at all. It's really really nice and creamy. Some people might think that it's too thick for them, and this one is really really great to just hydrate that area really. Yeah, I don't think there's anything more for me to talk about there. So my ultimate favorite right now, or has been for a very long time actually, is the, as you can see it's all run out now, it's the Clinique Moisture Surge. This one is so lightweight, and it's like a water gel kind of consistency, and it's just super super lightweight. So if you have oily skin, for example, this one is great because it's not gonna feel heavy or anything like that, and it's really really hydrating. It's so hydrating. So yeah, I can fully recommend it. And another option I have is one with a built-in SPF. This one only has an SPF of 20, so I do like to go on with a separate SPF on top, just because 20 is nowhere enough for me. I'm very fair, so this one is a white sort of creamy texture. It is a bit on the heavier side, and it does leave that like white cast sometimes. I don't really mind it too much because I do put makeup right on top, but this one is really great. It does not irritate me at all. A lot of sunscreens do irritate me because, I don't know, I just have really sensitive skin, and especially around the eye area, oh my gosh, I have to find, now that summer really is coming up, I have to find an eye cream that contains SPF but does not irritate my eyes. So if any of you maybe know a good brand that is good with eye creams and combined with sunscreens, please let me know. So yeah, that is one. The two final moisturizers that I wanted to show you guys is this one. I bought this once when I was like in a pinch and I really needed a moisturizer. This one has salicylic acid in it, which is great if you have acne prone skin. It smells like grapefruit, which is nice. There's not much to say about this. Oh, it is quite lightweight, which is great. It is oil free as well, so if you have oily skin, this is really really great because it's oil free and it's lightweight, so it's not gonna like feel heavy on your skin at all. Yeah, I can't really say much more about this. It's just like a basic moisturizer really. And I think those are all the products that I wanted to show you guys today. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned just maybe a little bit. I don't know, maybe this was completely boring for you. Maybe you're like an expert watching this thinking, oh my gosh, you're missing this, that and this. I know that there's a lot of like steps to skincare and it's very personal, so everyone is gonna have like a different one obviously, and what suits me is not gonna suit you and so on. You guys know. But yeah, I hope you guys like that. And please give this video a thumbs up. That would help me out quite a lot and would make me really really happy. And please do leave a comment And yeah, follow me on Instagram, as I said. I'm sure you would love it over there as well, and I love to interact with you guys and follow you back and like and comment, whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe out there. Please stay inside, stay home. I just want this crisis to like be over with already. So yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe and have a great day. Bye.